Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Ashley, and in this video I am cleaning our home, organizing it and dusting it and getting it ready for a pre-inspection before the movers come and pick up our things. As of now, we have 2 weeks left before they come and take all of our things. This day I was dusting and cleaning because we were gonna have a pre-inspection or an inspector come and see what items we are taking and taking notes of the furniture and measurements and all that thing. So I just wanted to make sure that everything was clean and dusted. I didn't know what I was gonna I didn't know what I was expecting. But it was overall very quick. They came in. It was actually just one person, but he came in and he was just asking me what items I was going to take. And he was just writing down how many pieces were in each bedroom or in each room. And that's basically it. Overall, the whole process took about 20 minutes. So if you're curious about, what happened or how it goes down, then this is your little sign, just in case you're here in Okinawa and you're also moving and you're wondering what to expect. We did receive an email after he left that of I guess a list of things that we need to do before they get here once they actually come and pick up our things. So, and in the email it did say to move furniture off from the walls and to inspect them and check if there was any mold, and if there was mold, to clean it off to make sure that there wasn't anything on it. And honestly, they're doing this to take care of our things because they are going to be in a container. They're going to be shipped through the ocean, and in those containers it gets hot depending on the weather, humid probably, and mold grows. So imagine having a piece of furniture that has mold and it's spreading all over your furniture. That would be so sad. So I was just dusting everything, making sure that everything looked clean, because at this point I didn't know what I was expecting. But overall, the whole process was really quick and really easy. I do have a list of what I need to do once before they come and pick up our things, and I'm very excited. I'm ready, but I'm also not ready, you guys, because right now that I'm doing this voiceover, we've already been here in Okinawa for 7 years. This is the longest years, or the longest that we've ever been in a duty station, and it is insane. I've loved every minute of it, and I really don't want to leave. And as I keep cleaning our home and I keep finding little memories and stuff, I just cry. While I have you here, I do want to talk about the plans I guess I have for our new home. We don't have a home yet. We haven't had an offer given to us, but time is going by super quick, and by the time you know it, we will be moving into our home, God willing. So I really am planning on sharing more of our bedroom. I know that in this while we were here in Okinawa, I probably only shared our bedroom maybe once, no, not once, maybe 3 times max, including this video right here. I'm not the biggest fan of our bedroom because my husband does have his gaming computer and all his collectibles and stuff like that. This house is pretty small, so we really didn't have the space to have a gaming room because we have 3 children and each of our children have a bedroom. So God willing, we do get a bigger home and I'm able to style a place or a gaming room for my husband, and I have big plans for our kids' bedrooms now that they're older and they each have their own style. I really want to do that, little makeovers here and there. So please, I hope that you guys stick around and keep watching my videos. I know that my videos might be a little bit repetitive right now, but things are coming soon. Quicker than you think, because I feel like the time is going by super fast. So I'm definitely planning on sharing a little bit more of our bedroom and decorating videos, or styling videos, because that is what I love doing. I also have a few projects on my list to do, redoing some dressers or looking for new pieces of furniture for our children's bedroom or the living room. So I hope that you guys stick around and be patient with me as we go through or manage this new season of our lives. So we're cleaning out our storage. This is all that we have in the storage. It's mostly Christmas stuff, but since the movers are coming to inspect they're coming to pre-inspect our home on Thursday, we're cleaning everything out because there's like little mice that get through here, little critters and stuff. So I want to make sure that this whole thing is clean, so when they come in here they don't see any of the poop or anything, because I have a feeling that if they do see that, like animal droppings, they're gonna think that they're inside here, and I don't want to leave any of my Christmas things. So we are cleaning everything off from sand. So this storage is pretty small, but we were able to fit all of our things. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna reorganize everything, put everything back in. And then I also got this tote thing. I essentially bought it for something else, but I don't need it for what I thought I needed it. So I'm gonna use it to store some of my Christmas things that are like in open containers or open bags, so they're nice and secure. And that's it. These are the luggages that we're gonna use to take with us. So Nicole stayed with me this day. It was so beautiful outside, so we decided to go and tackle the storage first before it got hotter. And this is the after we organized all of our Christmas stuff in the totes and marked everything, and hopefully this is helpful for the movers once they come and pick up everything and pack everything for us. Like I said, I want to make this as smooth and easy for them and for us. Guys, now we're inside, and I know it looks crazy. We never use this front closet, but we never use this front closet only for storage and like random things. And my husband had like oh my gosh, there's a spider right there. My husband had like car stuff. I had like my paint. So all this like was in here. I need to clean off the walls, dust everything, and get rid of things, mop and sweep, because it looks pretty crazy right now. And I also have to like get some scuff marks off the wall. I'm using a magic eraser to get rid of some marks off the wall that my rag couldn't, and this is definitely a godsend, you guys. I'm so grateful that we were able to buy magic erasers, because this closet looked like it had never been used before, and it got scratched up from all the things that we had in there through time, shoes being thrown in there at some point. So definitely give magic erasers a try. If you can't get some marks off of with your rag or a brush, magic erasers work like a charm, and I highly recommend them. I know that they're a little bit overpriced, but they're so worth it. So this was the day of the inspection. I got up really early and I wanted to have a little bit of me time. I haven't done my makeup in a while because I have been covered in dust and dirt and grime. And my morning routine is I wake up in the morning, I make my coffee, and I read my Bible, spend time with God, and then I go for my really long walk. I have been doing 20,000 plus steps a day. I didn't start off like that. It was first 5,000, and then I went up slowly, and I have been going up more, and now I don't even feel like I'm walking too much. So from my workout, being sweaty, coming back home to cleaning, I haven't had time to do my makeup and get ready. So today was definitely a treat. I got my coffee, I did my skincare, I did my makeup. I also tried a few new skincare and makeup products for my face. I have been struggling with my skin for a few months now. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or if it's because of the weather, but it's very frustrating. It is what it is, but I feel like for me, less is more. I want to try this brand called Merit, but it is a little bit expensive. So I think I'm going to finish all of my makeup products, and then once I'm done with everything, I will probably give them a try. But for now, I'm just using what I have. Hey guys, so I was editing my video and I realized that I didn't even make an outro, so that's why I'm here. It's been about 5 days since the last time that I picked up my phone to record. So yeah, there's nothing really going on right now. I do have a few videos planned. Hopefully I'm able to film them, but once they take our things, our house is gonna be completely empty and we're not gonna have anything, and we're probably gonna be without anything for about a month until we leave. So we are gonna be sleeping in inflatable mattresses, probably, most likely, which I really don't mind, honestly. As long as I'm with my family, we're healthy and we have a roof over our heads, it's okay. We probably will be out more because we won't have anything in our house. We love being at home, we're homebodies, but once they take our things, you know, there's not gonna be really anything to do in the house. So we'll probably go out more, like to explore Okinawa before we leave. So yeah, I just can't believe that it is actually happening. Like I can believe it, but it's just really weird, you guys. In July is gonna be 7 years of us being here in Okinawa, which is crazy to think of. But I'm looking forward to a new beginning, a new home, a new car. I'm just excited to see my mom, my sister, my brothers. Very excited to see my husband's family as well. So I will bring you guys along with me and as much as I can. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Probably going to be a thrift haul because I did go thrifting actually with my husband and the kids about a week or two ago, and I have some things here that I'm actually going to film after this outro because I need to get to it. So I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys on my next one, God willing. Bye guys.